Welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, thank you for tuning into another amazing video. So today we're going to do dynamic warm-up number 2. So if you guys have not seen dynamic warm-up number 1, I'll drop a link down below so you guys can check that one out before this one. But before we get started, definitely want to thank you guys for tuning in. And today's workout, it consists of 5 different workouts, and we're going to have a blast doing it. So number one is going to be high knees. As I mentioned to you guys before in my previous video, high knees will be always our beginning and our end. I like to get the heart pumping, blood flowing to the brain and all that good stuff. So first one's going to be high knees. If you guys figure out what that is, hands go out in front of you, your knees start up slowly, then you go a little bit faster until your knees go all the way up to your chest. Number 2, we're going to do scissors. Scissors consist of 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, and you're going to alternate the legs forward and backwards. Just like so. That's scissors. Number 3, windmills. When we were doing windmills, feet shoulder width apart, your right hand's going to go across your body and touch your left toe. Left hand goes across, touch your right toe. And you're going to go back and forth, alternating your arms to your opposite feet. That's fourth. Number 4 is going to be in and out. You're going to start with your feet together. You're going to jump up, tap where you started, and then you're going to open your legs. You're going to go out, in, out, in, out, in, out. This is what I call in and out. Very similar to the foot positioning of a jumping jack, just focusing on your lower body though, okay? Number 5, flamingos. This is gonna work on our balance. You can start with your right foot, left foot, whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm gonna start with my right foot. My left foot's gonna come up, hands go to the side, keep my balance and hold my body up. I'm gonna try doing this for about 15 seconds on each side and then switch, left foot down, right foot up, hold that body position. And last but not least, as I mentioned to you guys earlier, high knees will be our finisher, okay? I expect you guys to do your best, try hard, don't give up, and this is your time to run and get some water, wipe your sweat off, and go to the restroom, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Talk to you guys soon. Get ready to work out. We're gonna start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's go, high knees, let's go. Best as you can, get them up. Remember, do your best. Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Control your body, okay? You're gonna save some endurance for the full workout as hard as you can. Chuck your arm forward, knees get up. Keep up.
1, 2, 3, come on.
5 seconds left, let's go. Don't give up.
Come on.
Next one, let's go. Scissors, forward and backwards. Alternate your feet. I challenge you to stay on your toes the whole time, on your toes. Forward and backwards. Let's go. You got it. Keep working hard. Move your body. You'll thank me later. Windmills. Across your body. Hands up, across your body. Hands up, across your body. Let's go. All the way up. Make sure you guys stand all the way up. Across your body. Breathe. Next one, we got in and out. Start feet together. In, out, You got it. Keep going. We only have 2 more workouts. Ladies and gents, 2 more. Keep going. Challenge yourself hard every day. Next one, flamingos. 15 seconds. Hold your body up. I know you're tired. Don't mind. Keep going. Breathe. Switch. Catch your breath. Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. High knees, let's go. Finisher, let's go. Everything you got. Everything you got. You got it. gents, great job. You did it. You did everything you could. Put all your effort in. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the hard work. Keep working out. If you guys want to challenge yourself, do this in the morning, do it in the afternoon. Keep on working hard. Get your heart pumping, blood flowing to your body, and I guarantee you'll have a much better day. I hope you guys stay tuned, and don't forget to check out the next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Make sure you guys drop down a comment what was your favorite exercise, what you would like to work on, and some things you would like to see in the future. Look forward to seeing you guys. Take care. We'll see you soon.